Gratitude, right? What it really means and what it can do with us, why it is important to understand this, how it comes. I know there's a lot of questions inside your mind that's going throughout there, right? So let's understand this in deeper manner. So gratitude, what it really means. See, whatever you have right now, at somewhere you are able to do the stuff because of that materials. If you have the laptop, if you have the smartphone, if you have the internet connection, that is huge. That is big deal in this era, right? Because of that stuff you're eligible to get all the access throughout the world. But now how we can enhance our gratitude ability and why it's important. So before moving on this topic, let's understand that why people are not caring about the small stuff, right? Why they are not showing thankfulness towards the small materials. See, it's programmed into our mind from the ancient. At that time, the more material you have, the more power you get in your tribe, isn't it? The more material you have, the more power you get in your tribe. But right now the time changes, but our programming, our subconscious mind still remains the same. That's why more and more people wants to get something, and that something is not small thing, not a limited, but it's going to be unlimited. Because when they get a car, they want a bigger car. When they get a house, they want a bigger house. When they get a luxury, they want more than that. It's always going on. It's a continuous process. You cannot stop it. But how it happens? Because of the ancient time. But now time changes, right? For that you don't need a lot of materials. You don't need a lot of stuff to show your power, to show your skill set. Right now, if you have a small stuff, if you have a normal materials, you're good to go. But still people are struggling about it. They're not able to think about beyond than that. Now what happens when you engage in your surrounding? See, gratitude simply means you're engaging into it, right? Because at the previous one, you never thought about that you have the laptop and it's going to be very beneficial for you. It gives you a lot of benefit, right? But when you think about this, when you show the thankfulness nature towards a laptop, it's not it don't have any emotions. But we are not saying that to get into emotionally. We are just saying that if you engage into it, right? If you see the process that because this laptop, because of this smartphone or particular material, whatever you have, maybe the person you have, because of that person, it adds the value in your life, right? And when it adds something in your life, you must show thankfulness, you must show gratitude. Because when you do so, you engage into that particular product, you engage into that particular person, and when the engagement is high, you'll find out treasure is always around you. You don't need to work on it, you don't need to chase over it, right? Now here's another interesting fact comes, right? Tell me one thing, if you have to work for treasure, and second thing, you have the treasure, now you have to utilize it very well. In which category you are working well? The first one or second one? Okay, let's understand it simple. You are hungry, you are very much hungry and you have to do some work. But right now, in second scenario, you are not hungry, you have full stomach, right? And you have to do some work. So in which category you are able to do the great work? Right, in second one. It means if you want to produce excellent work, if you want to produce fabulous work, so you must have to be calm, relaxed. Because of that, you have a full stomach, right? You have a full stomach, now you do the stuff, now you do the work. But what happens if you are starving? You always think about the food again and again, right? So in that process, your better outcome will not, no one can say your better outcome, right? So that's the same thing. Whenever you tends to chase something daily and daily without even think about your surrounding, your efficiency decreases. Believe me or not, your efficiency decreases. But when you involve in your surrounding, people around you, material around you, your efficiency increases. If you're not believing me, just try it at once. Get engaged in your surrounding. I tell you my story that whenever I wake up early in the morning and I just show myself in the mirror, and I'm so happy for that. And I just come into my room and just even in fact kiss my laptop, okay? Because of that, I was able to do a lot of stuff, right? It's not a silly, you can think it, okay? But one day it fell from the desk, and the great thing is that it didn't have any scratch. I thought that's great. Maybe it's the reason because of my kisses. Okay, I just kidding. But yeah, that's true. Don't have anything happen. So that's a simple process. I'm not saying your material is not going to break, but the thing is that when you engage into it, okay, when you engage into the stuff, you find out satisfaction, you find out the happiness. Now, why it's important? See, understand the one concept that throughout the lifetime, whenever you are alive, one thing is always permanent, that's your surrounding, right? And what happen if you love your surroundings and it don't impact on you? You love your materials, it don't impact on you, right? So when you love your surrounding, when you engage into your surrounding, I think you are able to produce better results, no matter how hard situation gets, right? So that's one thing you can understand, that your surrounding is always permanent, right? I'm not saying the people around you permanent, the material around you permanent, but around you something is permanent, right? And if you tend to show the love toward that thing, your efficiency increases, your way of life increases, you're going to become blissful, and that's true. So that's it for today. Meet you next one. Have a great day. Stay healthy, stay happy, and yeah, be gratitude, be thankful towards material things, because that adds a value. Trust me.